can't get a good view of it. Let's move the camera back. Excuse me. That might be a little better. Hello, folks. Anybody know what this is? This is a I think it's a 50s. Wait, I'll tell you. If I don't drop the goddamn thing. This is what they call the Coca-Cola motorboat. It's a Coke dispenser. It is the Dole Valve Manufacturing Company. Coca-Cola in glasses, designed for. Not sure what year this is. But if I remember correctly, it's the 50s. What am I doing with this? Oh, I've had this for years. I've had a lot of things for years. My plan is I need to get it out of my garage. And I haven't scratched it anymore. It's been like this. What I want to do with it is I figure out how high this is. Because it has to sit on an angle like this, like straight. So I got to measure it and make a little box for it. A little platform, and then make it so it goes on the counter. And then I'm going to bolt it to the counter. After that, I'm going to try to figure out what mechanism runs the liquid through here. And instead of dispensing Coca-Cola, which really isn't going to fly very well with this thing, I'm going to see if I can turn it into a water bubbler. Those little water things, because nobody's ever going to use this again. I'm going to see if I can blow up a hose in here, put an on-off switch, and dispense ice cold, maybe not ice cold, but water out of it. Maybe I could put it on top of one of those water cooler things. But I have what do you call it? A coffee machine. It's wired to the wall. It's got a like direct wire to the plumbing, and I'm thinking if I can get one of those little plumbing lines in here and get this little push valve here to turn the thing off and on, I could theoretically get it to dispense drinking water. I mean, why not, right? I mean, I don't want to destroy it. I want to just take a couple things apart and leave all the original parts in here, and that's what I'm going to do with it. Originally, from what I was told, the syrup went in here. Was it in here? Yeah. The ice went in here, the syrup went in here, and then the carbonated water came out through a hose on the bottom. And I got to find that hose. So that's my plan. Hope you like it. It's pretty cool, huh? And from what I hear, these things are extremely hard to find these days. They're all being hoarded. They're not easy to find. And hey, I own one. And I'm not selling it. I'm not getting rid of it. When I die, my kids can sell it off. But this is worth a few bucks. So, and I bought it years ago. And I just keep forgetting I have it. I've been keeping it safe and sound. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.